What's happening, guys? Welcome to another video of Ride with Raj. And today I'm gonna talk about the grease spray. So Yash, the fellow rider and subscriber and a friend who had bought the Standard 500, who's always making sure the bike is maintained with me, has invested in a grease spray because even he plans to do rides, and that's why we are trying this for the first time, but we wanted a grease spray. And I don't know much of people who know about the Nulon grease spray. So these are the bike. So Yash's bike is shining more. And guys, check this out. Yash has put these retro style handlebar mirrors, which is epic. This is a Triumph style mirrors which he bought from AH Helmets, the same store where I did the giveaway from. These sick ass mirrors costed him 2,500 rupees and they are doing a great job. His major advantage of these mirrors is that they don't vibrate at a high speed, which he was facing on the original stock mirrors. So I think these mirrors are really dope, and people who are having the standard or the classic should really get them. They are pretty nice and they are very sturdy and very strong. Alright, as you guys can see, this mirror is blue tinted. You get in different tints, you get in red and green, but he chose blue. It's very visible, it's easy to clean, and they do not vibrate. The best part about these mirrors, like, they do not vibrate at all, even at 70 or 80, and he's happy with that. Also, you can see the visibility increases because there is nothing here and he can ride better. Using this Nulon grease for the first time, and I am shaking it really well because grease spray, we have to make sure that it's shaken really well before we use it. I'm going to use it in the clutch lever, the brake lever, maybe near in the gear. Yes, the gear needs it a little bit, and near the kick, and especially wherever I feel any part which is movable and functions and requires grease, and that's why I call this baby the grease monkey. You know guys, the best part about this grease is it can reach places where hands can't reach, and that's why I think Yash has done a very good thing by investing in this grease spray, that it can even go to places, as you guys can see, where hands can't reach. So it's pretty nice and pretty cool. It's a liquid form of grease which turns into the grease form, and if you leave it on for a while, you'll see how it changes its form, and it's pretty cool. The main thing is I wanted to put it near the T area. That's very important, and I've put that pretty much. You don't need to put a lot of this because of the nozzle. It goes at the penetration of the grease is at the right place where you want it. So you don't have to literally force a lot of grease. Just a little spray is good because you can do this regularly every month or 2 months. So it's pretty nice and pretty good. So I completely recommend this, and I think on the Sunday ride I'll see the smoothness, that how the grease is actually happening. But as you can see, it's pretty cool. Alright guys, I hope you guys liked the video, and if you like, please subscribe and share. Signing off, Ride with Raj. Bye.